Want to call someone in the UK? Discover the correct format for UK phone numbers, including the country code. Here's a complete breakdown. In this example, +44 is the country code for the UK. 20 is the London area code. 71234567 is the 8-digit local number. There are two ways to dial a UK phone number, within the UK and from outside the UK. From within the UK, dial the local number directly if you're within the same area code. Example, 71234567. For different area codes, dial the area code followed by the number. Example, 0207123457. From outside the UK, use your country's international access code, 00 in Europe or 011 from the US. Dial the UK country code, 44. Enter the area code without the 0 finally. Add the local number. Example, +442071234567. Want a virtual phone number for the UK? Click the blog link in the description to learn more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Happy calling. My Country Mobile, your communication and technology partner.